Please grieve for me, Viper. Please, sir. Excuse me. Brother. Fixed his teeth. Yes, sir. Wait, was it even like... bisexual? I don't do anything, I'm just a chud. Ayy. This guy ran it. He ran it, bro. I can't play, help. This account is so fucking cursed. Like, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Can we be careful with these double ups? Please. Can we please? Please stay away from the double ups. I'm scared. Help. I'm scared. What are you? What are you? What are you? What are you? Okay, bye. Jesus, that actually sounds nasty. Sorry. Sorry. Alright, we can dive. Sure, dude. Good night, guys. It was fun. Good game episode. Wait, this. What is this? Why is there a ward here? What are... Keep pressing that shit. But I have no opportunities to do so. Sorry. Maybe next game I will. Yes. Shut up, bitch. Grown ass man. Yeah, you broke as fuck too. And your chopped cheese. 4-1. Wait, 4-1 what? I'm confused. Excuse me. I'm eating yogurts. Soaked Python, thanks for the prime. What? You only have 3 dragons, is this for real? Take you then, Plaku. Take you then, Plaku. Plaku, yes. Excuse me. Hehe. I very recall. Rank. We making out the mud. Say Chloe. XO. XO. XO gossip girl. Mud. It's not your fault. It's Volibear's fault. Volibear, because they don't want to fucking face check for us. Yes. He is a dino. What do I do here? I have a headache. Ew. I low-key like the skin I had last game. I might buy it. Oh, I have it. Yay. Who is doing this shit? Shut up. Piss. It's over. Steal a brain rot. Steal a brain rot. Title. Stupid ass name. Bless up. Bless up. Bless up, bro. I'm so homeless. There's nothing I can do late game. Oh, bitch. Can probably take it against melee champions, actually, sadly. Cause, like, I don't know how I'm gonna hit, like, a fucking, like, a Syndra or, like, a fucking... Season 16 is really good. A little hero has never hurt nobody. What the fuck is happening? Yeah, I don't really care. This R build is tough. It's all damage. Hi, Catsiest. Good, thank you, Catsiest. Excuse me, blah. Sorry. What I mean. It's like, why would you do that? But it's like, why? Get the same from who? Maybe they just like living life on the edge or something. You're brain damaged. Yeah, you're reported, kid. Type shit. Type shit. How much did First Strike make? Oh, 500. That's all? That's not even bad. Server admin Viego. I love getting carried. I'd bend me out. What do I do? Should I play quality? Fuck it. Who's good here? Could play Ziggs. Maybe solo AP. Actually. Can you die now? Yeah, you can die. Yes. You can die if you want to die. Thanks. I'm unmuted, thanks. I dream. Does anybody know, like, actually? Please? Kaelin's here to defend it again. Free wave. Wow! Yo, guys. Let's keep playing towards the orange side. I guess double AP is not bad. We have a Draven, I guess. Oh, wait, they have a Cassin. Maybe it's okay now. Bro. Bro, Alvin, I'm so nice to you. What is this draft? I need a Zig skin. Help. No. Yo, fucking heal me. Let go, bro. Bless up. Bless up. Bless up. Bless up. Yes. Yeah. The zero sugar orange cream Coca-Cola. Bro, I'm not fat. I mean, I'm a little bit fat, but type shit. What runes do I go? Maddie, what the fuck are you typing, bro? Bro, what's with all these Rizzlers in chat? Literally kill all yourselves, bro, in game. Happened to Taco? Should revive Taco? Bro, I need a fucking... Yo, chill. Wow. Is that a beast? Is that a beast or no? Good matchups right here. Excuse me? What is...